Happy Wednesday, everybody. Welcome into the newest edition of the Dollar Domino series. If you are new here and you have never seen the Dollar Domino series before, basically what it is Pam, my fiance, and I have started this series. We started it about a month, maybe closer to 2 months ago, where we take $1 and we see how far we can flip it and how much profit we can turn it into over time. Our goal is to make it into $1,000 this year. So, so far it's doing pretty well. And this is actually Dollar Domino episode number 7. Fun fact for you, 7 is my lucky number. I love number 7. I was number 7 in baseball in high school. Pam and I are getting married on the 7th of the 7th month of this year. And so yeah, fun fact for you, number 7 is my favorite number. So why wouldn't it be an episode full of good news? And it is. We had a great sale this week in the Dollar Domino series. If you didn't see, last week we actually ran a sale to try to get some items moving, and it worked. So this episode will be showing you what sold, and we'll also run through the numbers with you guys and show you how much profit we're making and how our progress is going. So here we go. So today a Dollar Domino item sold, yay! That sale is working. So the item that sold, check it out. It's actually multiple items, but these Maxell, I'm not sure how you say it. Maxell?
You pronounce it better than I.
However it is, or however you say it. These blank VHS tapes sold. We had lots of 4, so we had 2 lots of 4 of these, and they were in the Dollar Domino series. Pam actually found these. She paid
50 cents.
She paid 50 cents a piece, so it was a total of how much?
$1 million.
$1 million?
What? It was a total of $4.
Total of $4 for all of these. And the buyer actually bought both lots that we had listed. So he bought all 8 of them, which was awesome. We'll definitely save some money on shipping there. So we got...
It was $31.98 for a profit. So that was actually for the items themselves. And then for the shipping, it was a total of $26.15, which I don't remember where they...
Minnesota. So these are going out to Minnesota. So yeah, we're gonna box these up now, print the shipping label. We'll see if we make any money on the shipping. I'm assuming we're gonna make quite a bit on the shipping. So
I know, that's a lot of shipping.
Yeah. And how much does this weigh? Well, we gotta package it up. We'll package it up and then we'll show you all what.
I think it's just like that without the bubblies and stuff like that. It was like, what, 2 pounds, 4 ounces?
Yep.
Or maybe 4 pounds, 2 ounces, something like that.
Yeah, so I would assume that we're probably gonna make some money on the shipping, but
you know what?
we'll get this boxed up and we will,
I'm gonna put it right here.
we will weigh it and then print the label and let you guys know.
It was 4.8.
4 pounds, 8 ounces as it sits. So it's probably gonna be close to 5 pounds.
Oh, that's because I found the other.
Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. All right, so we boxed it up, bubble wrapped it, made sure it was all nice and good for the buyer. Weighed it up, it weighed in at 4 pounds and 9 ounces. Just wanna block out the addresses here. But I wanna show you guys what we made here. So you can see the sale price of the items were $15.99 a piece. And that is times 2, because you can see he bought a quantity of 2. We had 2 lots of 4 tapes and he bought both of them. And then he paid $26.15 for shipping, and it ended up costing us $15.20. So we made an extra $11 on shipping. So that is pretty sweet. This was definitely a great sale, no doubt. So pretty awesome.
For $4 in.
For a $4 buy-in. This is definitely our biggest Dollar Domino flip so far.
Oh, yeah.
Undoubtedly, yeah. So this is pretty awesome.
You got some big wigs you got today too, so.
Yep. Print. Oh no, I didn't have it plugged in. I hate it when I do that. There we go. Got the label. Slap it on there and we'll ship it out.
Alright guys, so something exciting happened today and another dollar domino item has sold. This item was actually a bulked item or multiple of those items. We had VH tapes, which if you saw in earlier videos, we talked about those. We had 8 of them total, but we separated them into 2 lots, so they were 2 lots of 4. Great news, both lots sold to the same person, which as you know, if we can ship things together, it just saves on the shipping. But this time it was actually really, really good. So we're gonna do the breakdown, the math part of it, and we'll show you what we ended up with. So the 2 lots sold for a total of $31.98. So with that, we also charge shipping. So the shipping total $26.15, bringing us to a total of $58.13. I did my math on a sheet, so if you see me looking down, that's why. So this was price sold, and this was price of shipping. The buyer in this case also requested that the shipping would be priority, which works well for us, so no problem there. Now, originally the price of the items were actually the 2 bulks. Total for us was $4. So we're gonna subtract that, which brings us to $54.13. So this was the price of goods. Crazy. We had 8 of those VH tapes and we got them for 50 cents each, getting the total to be $4. So after that, we're gonna subtract the shipping. This part was really cool. Remember, they paid the $26.15 for shipping. They requested priority shipping, and the shipping under priority actually turned out to only be $15.20. I'll take that all day, every day. So we actually got just under $11 extra on top of the shipping. Or on top of the price because of the shipping. You get what I mean. Pam language. It's hard, but Ryan learned it. It's good. So that's gonna bring the total profit down to $38.93. So don't forget, oh, let me put this. We're gonna do shipping here. Now we can't forget about eBay because eBay also wants their cut. So their eBay fees for this was $3.20. Which that's gonna equal out to be $35.73. Then we're gonna subtract the total shipping or final shipping fee, which that was $2.62. Shipping fee. eBay's gotta get theirs. That's good. Share it all the way around. So that brings us to $33.11. Now with that, we also have our friend PayPal. We've got to take care of them too. So we're going to give them $1.99. Bringing it down to $31.12. So $31.12 is our net profit from the sale of those VH tapes. As it was mentioned before in earlier videos, and I'm just going to reiterate, this does not include those lovely taxes that get tacked on. So make sure that you kind of give yourself some leeway for those. But other than that, we turned and flipped $4 and made $31 out of that, which we already have some items here, or we went out today to source for items to help sustain that $31. So other than that, I mean, I'm sitting pretty. I'm so glad I got those VH tapes. And if you remember, they tried to get me to pay $1 for those. I questioned that just because they said that VH tapes were for 50 cents. They didn't put little stickers to specify that the brand new ones that were sealed were actually $1. So I still call that a super win. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned to see what happens next on our Dollar Domino. And I'm so proud I said Dollar Domino. I thought I was going to say Dollar Dollar. And I hope you have a great weekend. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Feel free to subscribe if you want to. And other than that, I don't know. That was pretty good. I'm a little winded, though, from talking. I'm ashamed of my handwriting, so just forget this now.